Hi guys, I'm here again, Dragon Lady. Today I'm going to cook a sweet potato, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fry it, and after I fried it I put some sugar in a pan, and then I put there the sugar and it's mix it up, and then it called camotequ. So that's gonna be my video today, cooking a sweet potato with the cold camotequ. See you guys later when it's cooked. Here we go guys. I'm gonna fry it, and later after all I fried it, I'm gonna put sugar and then mix it up, and it will be camotequ. The sugar, here's the sugar guys. After this melted, I'm gonna put the fried sweet potato and mix it up, and it's gonna be really good sweet potato camotequ. Here it is guys, camotequ. See, the sugar is on it now. You mix it up and all really good. You know, this is how camotequ is. More sugar. And like that. You mix it up with all those. It's gonna be crispy and sweet. Oh, look at that. Looks delicious. See? All the sugar is in it now. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. Now we're gonna turn it off. So this will be ready. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. How yummy this is. See? Look how yummy. Here's my homemade camotequ. So thank you for joining guys. My homemade camotequ. Don't forget to subscribe, and talk to you all later. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Okay, here's the homemade now. Finally, I'm finished it. I'm glad, and it looks delicious and it's so sweet. I love it. First time ever I ever made this, and thank God it's been a long time, and for my mom. And see you all later.